We have the buying power. Last year, China's surplus against us was like $375.6 billion. You know, this really means that we have the power, as you say. Also, we've got the much bigger economy. Last year, our economy was over 19 trillion. China says its economy was over 12. But right now, Brian, we've got an economy that's in reality growing faster than theirs, 4.1% in Q2. Theirs, probably about 3%.
Do you think that the Communist Party, which has arguably rallied around President Xi, I mean, he has consolidated power unlike any communist leader in China that we have seen in decades. That's a fair statement, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay, so you've got a bunch of yes men ostensibly in Beijing. Do you think they are taken aback by the United States' aggressive stance on this?
Oh, they certainly were. You know, in the beginning, they looked at Donald Trump and they thought, oh, clearly they could manipulate him and control him. I think they were dazed by the tariffs and other things that Trump has been talking about recently. And right now, the problem inside of Beijing is that Xi Jinping has sort of lost some of, there's been an erosion of authority, although he still is extremely powerful. But the point is, for Xi Jinping to get that authority back, he's going to have to actually win the trade war, which means he's got to demonstrate more political will because he doesn't have the leverage when you look at the economics.
Don't you have to define winning first? What would winning be for China?
I think that winning would be an elimination of all Section 301 tariffs. Those are under Section 301 of the Trade Act of 1974 for intellectual property theft. And so essentially he'd like to see Trump go away. And if he were to do that...
He wants to allow Chinese companies to steal our and other intellectual property unfettered.
Yes, and last year, or each year, China steals somewhere in the neighborhood, who knows, but it's in the hundreds of billions of dollars. And there's also the forced taking, which is probably a violation of World Trade Organization obligations that China has. You look at Xi Jinping over the last 5 years, what he's done is he's closed off the Chinese economy to foreigners. He expects us to open ours. This is just unsustainable.